Welcome to the future of fire suppression. Phantom system is engineered with innovation, elegance, and efficiency to keep kitchens safe without compromising design. We present you the Phantom nozzles. Remarkably small, yet powerful. Can be installed up to 2.6 meters from the cooktop, allowing for a flexible setup. With optional colors and seamless hood insertion, it becomes nearly invisible, blending into any kitchen style. SPY Thermo-Pneumatic Fire Detector. Detection is critical. The SPY Thermo-Pneumatic Fire Detector stands out with its precision and robust build. Calibrated for various temperature ranges, it ensures no false activations, giving you peace of mind and reliable protection. The system container is designed to combine simplicity with sophistication. Its specially engineered cylinder valve ensures reliable, low-maintenance operation. The system features a single pipeline that seamlessly integrates both extinguishing and detection functions, enhancing efficiency. Its unique T-Barex Absolute Extinguishing Agent makes it the best solution for oils and grease fires. A beautiful polished stainless steel brings a refined touch to high-class kitchen environments. The new and unique manual activation. For added security, the system includes a manual activation button that integrates seamlessly into drywall. Crafted from stainless steel, this button ensures that safety is always just a press away. The new Phantom Fire Suppression System offers seamless integration for any kitchen setup. It's especially compatible with standard wall hoods, blending effortlessly into the space. The system's detection and extinguishing lines are concealed within the hood, providing a flawless, streamlined appearance. With this design, the entire system remains out of sight, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. The suppression container can also be installed discreetly in any position, making Phantom an unobtrusive yet highly effective solution. A Phantom you'll never see.